Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain you about the benefit of creating index. Index is always beneficial and useful because there are main the three main benefits to use index is it accesses the data directly instead of reading through all the records, and it processes in less time, and but it also at the same time it uses the CPU and the memory. But we have to decide when we have to create index and when we do not. When the subset of the data on which we for which we create the index, like for the where condition, if the subset of the data is less than 15%, then it can be accessed quickly. If it's like more than 15%, then we have to think 15 to 35%. We have to think about 35%. It cannot be that beneficial. Similarly, when the data set is small and when there are few unique values, it doesn't make sense to create index. Equi-joins can be performed without internal sorts. Uniqueness can be enforced by creating a unique index. Index can be of many types. There are simple index. You can create two index at the same time. There are composite index. You can create unique value, no miss value. So first, I'm going to use this data set for creating and deleting index, which I'm going to show in this example. I will show this data set. This is very similar to or like the duplicate of SAS help.class, but the only difference is that I've saved this in format library, so that I don't want to use this SAS help.class, and I've created the duplicate, and except in the SAS help library I've created this in the format library which I created. So it is very similar to SAS help.class. There are 19 records and we're going to go one by one. There are three ways we can create and delete index: the data step, that the proc data set library step, and the proc SQL. First I would show you the data step. In the data step I am writing data simple, which is a work library data set in the simple, and then index is equal to name. So when we create a simple index, we have to just create the index name for the variable, like the variable name in the data set, and the index name should be similar, so it will identify on which variable we are creating the index. I am copying this data set format dot class, and I am going to create this index here. Then I am going to delete the index with proc dataset library. Format is the library no list, and modify class. Class is the table in the format library. If this is in the work library, you can write your work. Index delete name. Similarly, you can create index here instead of delete. So it will create in the index a simple index name has been defined, and if you want to see with that whether the index is created or not, you can use this option MSG level 9. It will show you whether the index is created or not. So then now I'm deleting this index name index again, because I'm in the further example I'll again create two index together. So I'm going to use with this option index name deleted, and now I'm going to use this unique index. Unique index means it will not take duplicate records. Like it will create records, it will create index only for unique records, and if there is any duplicate record, it's going to show error. So here I'm writing this index name and slash unique. If you want no miss, like if you don't want any blank value or empty value, you can write no miss here instead of unique. So this is also one step. I'm going to create this unique data set here. So should create. Simple index name has been defined. Now I'm going to delete this name again because I have to show this in the further example. If I don't delete that, there will be, if I use the same name, there will be duplicacy and it will not create. So that's why I'm going to delete again. And here I'm creating this index where I'm going to use this option statement here. This is composite index. Composite index is like we create index for two variables. In this example I'm using name and age. Name age, so I'm naming this as name age. So let's see. Composite index name age has been defined, right? And if you want to see whether the index is created or not, definitely this I think I will show with this statement. Proc content data can write format dot class. So you can see here it has sorted by age, validated character sets, and the current index is, so we have created the index which is, and this content statement would I'm deleting this again because I'm going to use this in a different example. And now I'm going to delete this because I don't want to keep, so just instead of, like, you can write modify class proc dataset library format no list index delete. If you want to create, you can write index create instead of delete. And now we can also create index through SAS SQL statement. Like here I'm writing create index height on format dot class height again. So this will create a simple index on height. If you see here, simple index height has been defined. And here if I want to create index composite index on height and weight, I'm going to define it here, create index 2 from on format dot class height and weight drop index name height from format dot class. So let's see whether it allows me or not. I will, and index name 2 from with the same definition already exists, so it is not allowing us to create the index because there is already index with 2 from name. If you remember, like we created here before, I'm not sure. Okay, I created this before, so I might delete this again from format dot class. if you have created it, it's not going to allow you to create this again. So what I will do is that I can, if I want to delete this from format.class, I can define it here to from. Let me see again. All index defined in format.class have been deleted. So now if I have deleted that, so I think now I should not have problem in creating. And if you want to delete in SQL, you can write this here, drop index name, like this is to index from format.class, but here this is creating. So I want to see here. Composite tool has been created here, and this is not relevant to what we are doing here, so I'm going to delete this here. So now you can see in the content statement whether we have defined or not. Suppose if you want to see proc, what's there, like proc data set, library, format, no list, contains data all. The format is the library, content data all. You can also see the contents, like this is different. This is like library, format, and content data all means all the data set which is there in the format library. So it's, you know, all so. And now this is very important. Suppose if we want to copy the data set from, say, format library to work library, then it has index to from. So if you copy, I am not sure that index will be copied, and if there is a chances of that, there might be, the index might not be copied properly for the data set. So you write this statement, proc data set library is equal to format no list, copy out to work, and select class which is the data set name. So now if you see here, library, there is a work library here, right? That work library, there is no class, right? Only the index, composite, simple to. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this statement to copy this class data set from format library to work library. Instead of work, you can give it any other library, and if we copy along with the index, then because this data has index also, data set. So let's see. So see, class has been copied here, and this is how you copy a table which has index with it. I hope you like this video. There's one more step, like proc copy out work, like proc dataset library format copy out. Here there's also proc copy out work in format select class. So if you do it, will do the same thing. I think if I delete here on the work, okay, and if I again run this, it's going to copy the same thing with index. So So I hope you like this video on index. I'm going to come up with one more video where I will show you how index can be used for faster processing. Thank you very much for seeing my video.